Transitioning to college is tough. You're meeting a ton of new people, it's a whole new environment, and most of all, it's the hardest coursebook you've ever had. No amount of college prep will ever prepare you for that. But we've been through it all, we've had to figure it out, and we have a little secret gem for you, the Learning Center. The Learning Center is super clutch, so take advantage of it as much as you can. Back in my very first quarter of college, I took CS, Math 124, which is calculus, and an English class, and I was struggling hardcore. It was honestly super rough for me, but I had the help of the Learning Center to get me through it and it helped me adjust to college. If I have any advice for you guys, take it easy in the beginning and then gradually up your coursework. It'll help you develop the skills that you need, the study habits to get you right, and then you'll be good for the rest of college. In this video, we're gonna get you up to speed on how you can take advantage of the Learning and Tutoring Center on your campus. Let's start off with DropIn Tutoring. DropIn Tutoring is exactly what it sounds like. You drop in and you get some help. Pretty simple, right? Drop-in tutoring usually consists of open sessions that operate on a first come first served basis. The benefit of this is that you can drop in at any time you want without any appointments, and you can come in as many times a week as you need to. Just make sure they're open because I've tried going there when they're closed before. Also, do not procrastinate. If you need help, go get it early. During busy drop-in times, tutors can help a small group of students, usually up to about 5, to maximize the time that they can help each student. But if it's not too busy, tutors can help students one-on-one. Drop-in tutoring also works best when you combine it with appointment tutoring with your professor or just other tutors. If you're still unsure about this, be sure to check your Learning Center's website and then read up all about it. They're gonna have all the information that you need pertaining to drop-in tutoring or scheduling an appointment. Once you understand the basic guidelines of how to use your school's Learning Center, it's time to get the help you need. Here are a few suggestions on how you can get the most out of your tutoring sessions. Tutoring is a great way to supplement your learning experience, but it is not a replacement for class. It is vital that you attend class, read the text, write down some notes, and then bring your questions to the tutoring center. Before your tutoring session, take time to review your assignment, identify any areas that you're struggling with, and draft up some questions for your session. They may not have all the answers, but they can help you out. Tutors are students who are successful in college and have a wealth of knowledge about the topics and classes you're taking. Keep in mind that students are not professors, teachers, and they are not content experts. They will share their study strategy with you and help you understand concepts, but they will not do their work for you. So show up on time and be prepared for your tutoring session. Tutors are usually high in demand during peak times such as midterms and finals. Like I said earlier, get your help as soon as you can. If you know you're struggling, schedule an appointment like 1 or 2 weeks ahead. They're gonna get really busy and you might not be able to get a spot if you schedule it too late. Be sure to visit your school's website to learn more about your Learning Center and how you can schedule an appointment for a tutoring session or anything else. For more resources, you can also head to getschooled.com and check out all the stuff we have over there. As always, I'm Don from Get Schooled. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.